Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P 500 daily recap for February 14th, 2012. Well, we got our second bearish day in February. How bearish was it? Not very bearish at all. We sold off to about 1337.75. Where'd we close? 1340.75. So 10 points higher. So we see these tails, even on the bearish days, we see tails on the bottoms. Even on the bullish days, we see tails on the bottom. So since February 1st, we've had 8 bullish days and 2 bearish days. The momentum's still to the upside, as at AlexKOTM on Twitter, my CMT tells me we usually sell off into President's Day. And if this is the kind of sell-off we had, it's not very strong. However, to the upside, we're not getting much momentum as well. We're seeing this 1352.75 as the top. Right now, here's the goal, 1373. If we can get up there, it is off to the races. If you look over the course of the last 6 days, you can almost say 7 days. Say 7 days, we've had a 20-point range. We can almost say 8 days, we've had a 20-point range. So in the last 8 trading days, we've had a 20-point range. That is not a lot of conviction to the upside or the downside. Let's look at the 5-minute chart for today. We opened up at 1345.50. You had a nice little double top here. You're thinking maybe this is going to be the high of the day. If we looked at it, we sold off until the European close again. Low of the day so far was at 955. Yesterday, if we looked at it, very similar chart. So we look at this area right here, and we look at this area. Very similar. We look at the day before. Very similar. So the low of this day, it was just 3 days ago, was around 925. The low of yesterday was 945, and the low of today was 955 for a while. We did take that out. Got to Fib Zone 2 here. If you look, up until about 130, we had about a 6.5 point range. So that is not exciting. Very hard to trade. Lots of traps. Nothing much to do. Neutral paper. No conviction to the upside or downside. We did sell off a little bit here. We got a final flag at 1338 was the low here. Another one here. Here we double bottom. It's almost a triple bottom at 1337.75. Got some news out of Greece. We rallied at the end of the day. I say a lot of times at the end of the day, people have to close their position. If they're short, they have to take it off. If they're long, they have to take it off for the end of the day. What levels will I be looking at tomorrow is the question. I will be looking at this red level. That is the floor pivot for tomorrow, 1343. Point of control, 1341. I've flagged this many times. This is a very crucial area right here, the 1341 to 1343. To the upside, I will be looking at 1352.75, which is the high of February, also the high of the year. Then they have the target way, way higher, around 1373, the Bin Laden high. To the downside, what will I be looking at the downside? The low of today, 1337.75, and I've talked about it many times. I flagged about this 1333 area. We've bounced many times off that low. This is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P 500 recap. We also have the ladders up on the website. We need your help making this better. We want to make the video and the ladders the best possible that we can on the web for you guys. If there's anything you guys don't like, if you want explanation of Fibonacci levels, resistance, support, where we get pivot levels, please email me, Andrew at KeenOnTheMarket.com. I will get back to you within 24 hours. We want to make this report the best on the web, and we need your help. Have a great night.